Hello, Uncle.
Yeah, hello, Ebube. Yeah, good evening. Good evening. How are you? Okay, what is going on? You said you were going to set up a meeting between your fiancé and myself. Have you forgotten?
Of course. I mean, Uncle, why will I forget? The thing is, my fiance is actually not in the country, so as soon as he comes back, of course, that would happen.
What do you mean he has not returned? I heard 2 days ago that he was back in the country.
Yes! Yes, Uncle, he came back and then he left almost immediately. The thing is, Uncle, you know, my fiance is a very busy man, so he has a lot of things on his desk. So as soon as he clears them off, he's going to... Actually, he told me he was going to have a meeting with you immediately he comes back.
Okay, that is good. I am banking on you to secure this contract, okay? That is what family is about. Helping each other to get to the top, isn't it?
Okay, Uncle. I promise I won't disappoint.
Well, of course, you will not. You will not. You know what? This is going to be a big leverage for me because he will soon be my in-law. And by the way, why haven't you people come to see us formally as tradition demands? Or have you forgotten the tradition?
Of course, Uncle, of course. Why will I forget the tradition? The thing is, he said as soon as he gets back to the country, he's going to bring his people to come and see you, specially.
When?
Uncle, I just said that immediately he comes back. I mean, he's away. Once he comes back this time around, he will come and do the needful. Like, he will come see you, and then you both will, meet officially.
Okay. That sounds good. That sounds very good. But please, do not forget the contract, okay?
Uncle, I won't. I mean, I got you, Uncle. I have your back. I have your back, okay?
All right. So, nice speaking with you. Okay, bye. Wow, Ebube. Our own big girl. She knows everybody.
Publicity, I must get her. She she know they settle for less, and that is why you see her for press.
Yeah, Joseph, come here. What is going on? Do you know why I came out here? What is going on? Why do people heap these things like this?
Sir, we go just pack them. Just don't worry.
Oh, sorry. Invite all these people immediately. Let them do it.
I will go them. Tomorrow morning they go back.
I don't want to see this thing by tomorrow, okay?
Sorry, sir. We'll go back this evening, sir.
That's all right. Go inside.
Okay, sir.
Publicity, I must get her. She she know they settle for less.
Ebube, what exactly are you doing? I mean, how do you get someone to act as Alexis Prescott? How do you get someone to act as Alexis Prescott right now? I mean, what if the social media actually reveals the truth? Oh my uncle, what if he finds out that I'm actually lying? Now this is not good at all. This is not good. I'm telling you. What if I finally see him and I do not love him? Am I going to stay in marriage unhappy all the rest of my life? Huh? Because of desperation for fame? Hell no. Hell no. What do I... Hey, but you need to think, what do you do? What do I do? Hello? Yeah, this is Ebube Priska Anosike Epis Pathos. What? What? You want me to be your brand ambassador? Okay. Okay, first off, I would like to know all about your company, the services that you render. Okay, a meeting. Okay, that's fine. That's okay. Okay, the thing is, I will check my schedule and then I'll get back to you. How about that? Sure. Okay, alright. Okay, bye. Yes! Oh my god! This is it! This is it! Oh my goodness! This is it! This is it! Okay! I mean, look at it! Ebube, Priska, Anosike, now a brand ambassador! You know what? I am gradually getting to my desired goals. Yes! I will keep acting as Alexis Prescott's fiancé, and I will grab all the fame and endorsement. Yes, so, because I have to use this time very well. Grab. Before reality sets in and start demanding for the price of deception. Oh happy day, oh happy day, oh happy day, oh happy, woo! Brand ambassador! Oh my God! I need to make a call. Yes! Oh my days! Oh my days! Woo!
Mama, it's the deals. The brighter future, that's what we are looking at. The deal is bringing. It's making money.
Pick up your phone, it's ringing.
I'm coming. Hello?
Yes, so my darling, I have something for you to talk about. Girl, guess what? Just guess what? Awugwa, guess.
Believe what?
Come on, girl. Come on now. I know say I did lie. No, I'm a professional liar, but girl, this is reality.
Are you serious? Are you sure this is not one of your publicity stunts?
Babe, as I'm speaking to you, your girl Ebube Priska Anosike, aka EP Sparkles, is now an official brand ambassador, and that's on period, girl.
Wow. Yo, if this is true, then that means Alexis Prescott does have a great influence in the States.
Ha! Babe, which one be state? We are talking of international. I mean, state is just a part of it. Do you know what baffles me? What baffles me is that such a faceless man having an influential name. Ha ha ha! Girl, I have to play street smart. Yes, I am using his name as his fiancé to build a brand for myself. And now that's what's up, girl. See, call me scam or whatever, but girl, I call myself a genius.
Oh God, you are really a genius, my friend. Eh? Are you serious? But you know, your mother thinks you're trending on a dangerous ground.
My mother, not to worry. Very soon, she will come to terms with it.
I know. So, what did you tell them?
Oh, well, girl. You know, say, as Alexis Prescott's fiancé, you don't have to rush it. Oh, yes! You don't have to act needy or too desperate. I told them that, okay, I'll have to check my schedule and then I'll get back to you. You know, you have to build, see, class, get a CV, you know what I'm saying? You have to be classy. It's like what they asked, I said I did desperate. So I gave them some kind of class.
Okay, don't just mess anything up, okay?
Girl, I am not overdoing it. I know exactly what I am doing. And I know very soon yourself you're going to play, you're going to show.
I trust you, my friend. This charade is really paying off, after all.
Yes, now. Anyways, I have some other calls to make. I'll call you later, alright?
Okay. Alright now. Bye.
Alright, see you. Ciao. Bye. Ebube Priska Anosike, the brand ambassador of an influential company. Hey! Oh God! Hey God, who they check out? Hey! You too much, Friska. You too they do. Get out, you too much. What's it? God. Okay.
Yay. Mama. She said she will call you later.
What's the excitement about?
Mama, this is what I've been telling you. You see, doors of opportunities are really opening up for her. A company just contacted her now. And soon, other companies and service providers will follow up.
Contacted her for what?
As an influencer, Mama, it's like helping these companies sell their goods on her page with her face and influence. Mama, this is online hustling.
Which influence?
Mama, your daughter has become a public figure. And this is what all this company wants. Mama, she is making it real big.
Making it big through deceit?
Mama, does it really matter? It doesn't matter. One guy survive one way or the other. So far that you're not spilling blood. She's not spilling anybody's blood, okay? We have to survive.
And finally, when they see or notice that she poses to be what she's not.
Mama, Ibube is very smart. She'll find a way around it. So you don't have to worry yourself about that one.
It's really a bad idea inviting you to speak to you about your friend. I forgot that you are birds of a feather. All I know is that I raised my daughter very well. Ebebe, I raised her very well. But you see the one that called you, that just called you now, the one deceiving and lying to people. Nene, I don't know her. She is not my daughter.
Mama, this is online hustling. Mama, Ibube is making it real big. What?
Vision from the we must get the publicity. I must get that. Celebrity life is too sweet. But we go rock up no matter what you go take you. See my friend, I don't tire for local life. I won't settle for less. So you go see me for press. Yo. No more insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must get up.
Alright. Thank you so much. This is Prescott. Hope I can call you that.
Oh, well, we are not married yet, but we will soon be wedded. So, of course, you can address me that.
Oh, great.
Yes.
We look forward to having a great and a blissful working relationship with you.
And of course, I promise to be of great service to this brand, and I promise you that with me being your brand ambassador, your name will be on the top chart, and it's going to be a sold-out gang. Trust me.
Thank you, and thank you again.
Thank you too.
I was wondering if it's possible to have a physical meeting with Mr. Prescott. I know and I understand he's an introvert. However, it's going to be a very good idea to actually put a face on this sensational name.
Well, that's so thoughtful of you, but my husband appears to have visual bibliophobia.
Although it means phobia for media.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. So, he's more of an introvert. I'm more of the crazy girlfriend. So, you know how it is.
No wonder they say opposite attracts.
Exactly. But not to worry.
Yeah.
Someday soon I will drag him out of his shell, and then you can meet him. How about that?
You sure he's gonna agree to that?
Of course. You know how my husband can be. But not to worry. Very soon I will pull him out of his shell. Trust me.
Well, that's great.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're gonna be looking forward to that.
Of course. And my husband loves me so much. And I'm so excited. I don't even know why this great business mogul will love me this much, but I'm really happy. He can do just anything for me.
Wow.
Oh, yes.
We're looking forward to that.
Of course.
And have you guys had a date for the wedding?
We are still finalizing on the dates, and when we are set, it's going to be announced on all social media. Though my husband was like, "Baby, do you have to do this on social media?" I'm like, "Baby, come on! You know, I'm an influencer. I'm quite popular. You know, I have a large following. You know that."
I know. Anyways, it's been a great pleasure having you around.
Oh, likewise. And the wedding is going to be in Dubai or Paris. I hope you're going to be there, though.
We shall be there. And he agreed.
Come on. This is EB Sparkles we're talking about. I mean, you know EB Sparkles, right?
Right, double right.
Of course. I mean, Alexis Prescott loves me so much. He can practically kill for me. That man loves me to stupor. Stop it. You don't know Alexis Prescott?
But it turned out to be a difficult puzzle. It's so confusing.
Hello? Hello? Hello, Annie girl. Oh my darling, how are you? Girl, you don't want to know. Girl, I just signed my endorsement deal. Yes. Girl, this is big. I won't lie, this is big. Babes, it's worth millions. You don't want to even know. I know you told me, I know, girl. See, I don't even know how to thank you for everything. Annie, see, I don't know what I want to do. Thank you. You're a huge part of my success. And let me say this again and again. Thank you for allowing me the access to your house. Thank you for giving me your car and money you send to me every other day to buy clothing and all that, for feeding, upkeep, everything, girl. Thank you so much, Anita. No, let me say thank you. Allow me to say thank you. Yes. Thank you. I appreciate you, and my God is going to bless you. You know, I told my mother. Annie, wait, let me say this. Wait. You know, I told my mother that when I start officially, that I am going to sign endorsement deals, but she didn't believe me. Now look at me today. Yes! Annie, thank you so much. I just want to say thank you over and over again. Without you, there won't be this goodness, you know. You know how we do it. Thank you so much, girl. Yes, I'm just coming out from there now. Yeah, I'm heading home. I must...
Hello, good afternoon.
I'll call you back, okay? I'll call you back. All right.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
EB Sparkles, right?
Exactly. Who's asking?
I'm one of your fans.
Okay. A rigs of insufficient form.
It's so confusing, and I don't know what to do. This is insane. Cause I don't know what to do. This is supposed to be my game. Now
I have my misgivings about that lady. She talks too much. She tries to prove a point that needs not be proven.
Agnes, as much as I know that you love being very logical, I think you're taking this too personal than professional.
Alexis Prescott is not on social media. Never grants interviews. How are we sure she's telling us the truth about her relationship with him? Does he exist?
Agnes, that shouldn't be your problem. AB Sparkling is becoming more popular, and that is why we made her our brand ambassador. That is more important.
Okay, guys. The thing is, firstly, we should understand that Alexis Prescott exists, and he is the CEO of Prescott Group. Okay. Secondly, it will be becoming popular is something that we should leverage on. Okay? And lastly, the circumstances surrounding whatever should be a blessing in disguise to our company.
What about the transformation from a local slum to a duplex?
There you go again, Agnes. Okay, let me go get this right, okay? The circumstances that led to Ebube's popularity or whatever the case may be is an advantage that we should take, okay? And of course, the advantage cannot be overemphasized as compared to whatever the case is at the moment. So we should leverage on that, and that is it, and we call it a day. I don't want more of this too much talk about Ebube and Ebube this and that. So you guys can go back to your desk.
She know they settle for less, and that is why you see her for press. Ibis back up, living on their so wife. I know more insufficient for.
So, Mr. Agumba, my fiance decided to let you have the job. He was supposed to be here to speak to you, but he had an urgent call, so he had to travel. You know, he's always busy.
Thank you very much. I'm glad he approved of me.
It's okay.
So much, man.
So when do you intend resuming?
I can resume immediately if you don't mind.
Mr. Agumba, are you a comedian?
I'm Papa Gurebu. That's what I'm known for. Yes.
You crack me up all the time. I will need a favor from you.
Okay.
I'll need you to help me be on the lookout for a live-in housekeeper. I need it like now.
Okay, there's someone I know. Yes.
Oh, really?
Yes.
If you see the film, you know that these people, see, Naija, they make films. Seriously. Only if we have half of the resources those people, Hollywood, will do wonders.
He was also the housekeeper for the Okoyes. And right now he's out of job.
Did I hear you say he?
He's very good. There's no dish he cannot make. You know, he's a very hard-working boy. And he's as ebullient as you want to employ him.
I was actually looking out for a lady. But if he's as good as you say, then you should put a call through to him.
Okay, I can call him right away if you don't mind.
All right, do that.
Yes.
You can call him now.
Okay.
Sufficient for me. You see this fame, I must get that more. Joy, no more insufficient for me. Yeah. We must get it publicity. I must get that more. Celebrity life for just.
I cannot even remember who directed that movie.
Is it not okay, Chase?
Okay. Is it
or
okay?
is it
It's okay. Okay, Chase.
Answer your call. Let me.
Hello, sir. Oga Agumba. Good afternoon, sir.
Nnamdi, how now?
I'm fine, oh. You have forgotten me now.
Ambano, you know, since the Okoyes relocated, it's been difficult finding a new job.
I know. Everywhere is tight anyway.
Yes. What about you? Have you gotten something now?
No, fine. I'm still searching. Is it easy? It's not easy now.
Okay. can you meet me up right now? Because I know of a vacancy.
Where?
Number 2 of 4th Street, GRA.
Number 2 of 4th Street. Hold on. 4th Street, number 2. Aha. I know there now. Is it not the house of Priska Anosike?
Namde, that's your problem. Always underestimating yourself.
I know there. Who doesn't know Priska Anosike? She has become a social media sensation since she announced her engagement with Alexis Prescott. Of course, I know that. I even thought a lot of people will be applying for the job who are more qualified than I am. Do I even stand a chance? But what are you doing there?
No, she has just hired me as a security man.
Jesus. What?
Sorry, let me speak with him. Hello, my name is Ebube Priska Anosike, aka EB Sparkles.
Jesus. Ma. I'm sorry, ma. Good afternoon. I'm sorry.
Why are you apologizing, doll? Why? I mean, come on. Your friend has said a lot about you, so if you're really worth all he said about you, come to number 2 of 4th Street, GRA, right now.
Wow. Okay, ma. I promise to be there. I'll be there now.
All right. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma.
You know, I have that effect on people. Everyone wants to identify with EB Sparkles. You know. Yeah.
Just yell Jesus.
Guess who I spoke to? The almighty Priska Anosike.
You are lucky.
Eh?
You are very lucky.
I'm coming.
Are you going there now?
I'm going to your house. Hey.
You are lucky. Should I follow you?
For what? I'll see you later.
No problem now.
Publicity, I must get her. She aim very high. She know they settle for less. And that is why you see her for press. EB Sparkle, living on their so wife. No more insufficient for me. You see this fame, I must get.
That man came here and gave a serious warning against my daughter. Ogogo, I told you I am not in support of whatever Ebube is doing. Talk to your friend. Let her not get us into trouble. We don't have anybody in this family.
Mama, I don't believe you.
Eh?
Do you even know what you're saying? That Alexis Prescott, a multi-billionaire, left all his busy schedule to come looking for you to warn you against your daughter. Mama Biko, tell me something else. Alexis Prescott. Yeah, Mama.
Is he a ghost? I told you that somebody came here to warn me. Alexis Prescott.
Alexis Prescott.
I am done talking, Ogogo Mobi. In Anuya, I am done talking. Talk to your friend. Talk to her. Let her do away with anything that has to do with that company or the man. He threatened to lock her up. Ma Wabia, I will not come out. Oh. I know who I saw. They came with big cars. Oh. I am asking you.
Oh. Ma, I'll talk to her, Biko. Alexis Prescott came here with Biko. I will talk to her. Ezioko. I'll talk to her.
She know they settle for less. And that is why you see her for press.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma.
You must be Nnamdi?
Yes, ma. My name is Nnamdi.
You don't quite look like what I expected a house help should look like.
No, ma, I can actually do anything you want me to do. I can cook, I can clean. However heavy the house
That was
chores.
I actually meant that as a compliment.
Thank you, ma. I appreciate it.
Sit.
Right.
I actually have an appointment at 2, so we'll make this as swift as possible. All right? Okay.
Back up, baby, no, they're so white for her. I don't know insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more. Joy, no more insufficient for love. Yeah, we must get it publicity. I must to get that more. Celebrity life is too sweet. But we go rock up, no matter what you need, go take you. See my friend, I don't tire for local life. I won't settle for less.
Can you hurry up?
Sorry. Sign now. Sign.
You see this fame, I must to get that more. Joy, no more insufficient from me. Yeah.
Sorry. All right. So, you both resume work tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, ma.
You can go. Okay, you can go.
Oh, okay, ma.
Any questions?
No, not really, ma.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma.
Can you button up your shirt? I know you're hairy. Just button it up.
Oh, I'm sorry, ma. I rushed out in
Oh,
a
you can
hurry.
go. I didn't ask questions. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, ma.
Yeah.
Back up, baby, no, they're so white for her. I don't know insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more.
Oh. See, Mr. Agumba, I thank you for such an opportunity. Yeah, I'm sincerely happy. Thank you.
Namdi, we've come a long way. So it was just natural that you were the first to come to mind when she asked me to look for a living housekeeper.
Living?
Yes. Do you have anything against that?
No, not really. I do not have anything against that, but it's one thing to work for Alexis Prescott's fiancé, and the other thing is to live under the same roof with her. That is a huge one.
Namdi, I feel the same way. But all the same, it's okay.
Yeah. I will be there shortly. Just hold on. Yeah. I'll be there with you.
Can I have okay. Yes. Right. We find out for them.
No problem.
Remember the yes.
You guys are still here? What are you doing here? Well, you left already. On a second thought, why don't I drop you guys at the junction?
You don't need to bother, ma. We can.
I insist.
Madam, we can manage. Father bros want in a church.
Oh my days, you're so stubborn. Why don't you listen to simple instruction? Get into the car already. Hurry up.
Okay, ma.
It's back up, baby, no, they're so white for her. I don't know insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more. Joy, no more insufficient for love. Yeah, we must get it publicity. I must to get that more. Celebrity life is too sweet. But we go rock up, no matter what you need, go take you. See my friend, I don't tire for local life. I won't settle for less, so you go see me for press. Yo. No more insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more. Joy, no more insufficient for love. Yeah. We must get it publicity. I must to get that more. they settle for less, and that is why you see her for press. He beats back on, living on their so wife. I never insufficient for no. You see this fame, I must to get that more. Joy, never insufficient for no. Yeah. We must get it publicity. I must to get that. Celebrity life.
She is gaining more momentum, signing contracts upon contracts and becoming ambassador to the pronounced rival of the Prescotts.
Now listen to me. Your overbearing approach towards this girl is no longer condoned here. Do you understand? Now go back to your working position and concentrate. It's an order.
But sir,
I said go back to your duty post and concentrate.
Hey, so you take loose this your babe. Which babe? Since they ask me, I better don't they do like this? Hey, babe, she's now a very big girl. She I hear say she been doing endorsement. What do they call? LS Prescott. If you see this babe now, hot chick. My brother, leave that thing. All those things are all lies. I know it too well. They're all lies. Lies? Yes, lies. Hey, these guys, they are not understanding. Wait. I'll show you. Wait. Oh, watch this thing. See him now. They call them lies. See, I know it so well. Her mother told me in confidence that all these things are all lies. You know, just forget these nonsense. She said, really? Now, tell me, this big car which they drive and big house which you get, how she take it up? Now, Juju? See, my brother, leave all those things. I don't know how she got all those things that she's doing, but one thing I know is that Ebube is telling lies. The truth that I know is that Ebube belongs to me and nobody else. She cannot leave me. No, she cannot. Guy, I bet you better face reality. Face reality. Ebube, na big girl now. Huh? She don't pass your level. Just agree. Just face the reality. She don't pass my level. Chidi, did you just say that Ebube has passed my level? My guy. See, let me say. So you dey mock me, Abi? Me mock you. My friend, take your phone. Me mock you. You dey mock me, Chidi. I go take mock you now. My guy. I just tell you the reality. What if you say I don't make it get PP? That's my own. Just accept defeat. Say no touch me, no touch me. And see, my guy. Madam, come and check your money. I bet. Oga, no dey talk nonsense. Why they tell you this? You say don't here. You never dey quarrel. I go slap you. It's just for you to accept. Say this girl don't pass your level. Don't you know? I dey do this thing and help you. Eh? Let me say you get BP now. They won't come in. Madam, take because give me Ghana 15. I know they shame. No problem now. If not me, I will enter more. They go my own way. See you.
Try and make it 50. 50 will be good. Either 50 or you leave it.
I said.
Hold on. I'll call you back, bro.
I'm so sorry, sir. I tried to stop her.
It's okay. You can go back to your office.
What's going on between you and her?
I beg your pardon.
Don't beg my pardon, sweetheart. Because if there is anything going on between you and that girl, I can understand why you haven't done anything or said anything to stop this madness.
Who are you talking about?
Of course you know who I'm talking about. I am talking about Ebube. What's going on?
And that's the reason you should barge into my office. To make such accusation.
You leave me with no choice. a girl comes out from nowhere, claiming and attracting attention to herself, calling herself soon to be Mrs. Prescott, and you're not doing or saying anything about it.
And what do you suggest we do?
Fine. Debunk her claims instead of remaining silent, thereby causing people to believe her lies.
And that will only attract more attention to her.
But at least people will know the truth. Okay?
Do you think she doesn't know what she's doing? She knows what she's doing. And that's exactly what she wants to do. She wants us to come out and deny her claims. And there will be banter of words. As far as Prescott's family is concerned, she's irrelevant. We know how to win our battle wisely.
In other words, you rather ignore?
Exactly.
You know what, Alexis? I have had it up to here. If you think I'm going to sit back and watch some low-life kind of girl use the name of my fiancé for her fraudulent activity, you better rethink. I won't allow it.
But there has not been any report of fraudulent activity. She has not been taking money from people, all in the name of Alexis. Is she?
Oh, really? So, sweetheart, you haven't heard. She just bagged a major brand new influencing deal. So you didn't see it on social media?
You know that I'm not that social media person.
Oh, really?
I am not. So, if she's not doing all that to affect Alexis' business or whatever, then let her be.
Letting her be is something I will never do. Because I'm going to drag her. I will drag her on social media. I am going to destroy and expose her. And God help her, when I find her, I am going to tear her into pieces.
Amanda, you do no such thing.
Mr. Prescott, try and stop me.
Amanda, I know how much you dream to be with the Prescott family. If you try any rubbish, kiss all your dreams goodbye.
It's back on. They've been learned their so wife over. I know my insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more. I must to get that joy. No more insufficient for love. Yo, we must get the publicity. I must to get that more. Celebrity life is too sweet. But we go rock up, no matter what you need, go take you. See my friend, I don't tire for local life. I won't settle for less, so you go see me for press. Yo, no more insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more. I must to get that joy. No more insufficient for love. Yo, we must get the publicity. I must to get that more. She dey aim very high. She know they settle for less. And that is why you see her for press. EB's back on. They've been learned their so wife over. I no more insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more. I must to get that joy. No more insufficient for love. Yo, we must get get the publicity. I must get up. Celebrity life for too sweet. But we go rock up no matter what you need, go take you. See my friend, I don't tire for local life. I won't settle for less, so you can see me for press. Yo.
And who are you to ask me such kind of question?
I don't think it's necessary, but for the want of clarification, I would want you to know that we may have common interest on that girl called Ebube.
What do you mean by that?
She has supposed to be our enemy. She was your girlfriend, but left you for Prescott. And her want, her claims and posts, it's not normal to me. So tell me more about her, so I'll know how to handle her till she come back begging you.
You will agree with me that I do not know you, so why should I trust you?
You have to trust me because you want her back. We'll have to strike a bargain. The aim is to weaken her until she come back begging you. Satisfactorily. Isn't it?
Back on living alone, there's so I know my insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must together. Joy, no more insufficient for love. We must get the publicity. I must together. Celebrity life for too sweet. But we go rock up no matter what you need, go take you. See my friend, I don't tire for local life. I won't settle for less. So
Hey! Madame Ebus! You're welcome, Madame Ebus. Madame Ebus! You're welcome.
Mr. Agumba, how are you?
Hi, Pasanogwema. You're welcome.
Alright, lock the gate.
Oh, very good. You're okay, man. Madame Boost!
it's back on. Living alone, there's so I know my insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must together more. Joy, no more insufficient for love. We must get the publicity. I must together. Celebrity life for too sweet. But we go rock up no matter what you need, go take you. See my friend, I don't tire for local life. I won't settle for less, so you can see me for press. Yo. No more insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must together more. Joy, no more insufficient for love. We must get the publicity. I must together. She aim very high. She know they settle for less. And that is.
Welcome, ma.
Yeah. Lambi, how are you?
I'm fine. Okay. Alright, can I take your shoes?
No, please, I'll do that myself.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think I can do for you.
No, it's fine.
Alright, ma.
Yeah, okay. Hello, Annie. What's up? Girl, this is my third contract I'll be signing in a few weeks. I know. Girl, I wasn't expecting it. No, I didn't know it was going to be like this. I didn't know. My dear, you know the... Oh. Annie, hold on, okay? Just hold on.
I thought you would be needing a glass of water, so I brought you one.
That's so thoughtful of you. Thank you. Just place it here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Annie, are you there? Girl, get some kind of distraction will come. My dear, I didn't know it was going to be like this. So, you know, the whole idea was just for me to call out Alex Prescott. You know, and then he was just going to come out on social media and debunk that he doesn't know me. And you know how it is now with controversy. People will just start coming to my page. Endorsements. People will just start coming. Followers. Girl, it worked. The surprising thing is that none of his family members have actually come out to say, okay, they don't know this girl or who is she. Yes, now, it's very much unlike the Prescotts. I'm telling you, and he hasn't even said anything about it. Wait, calm down, let me tell you. In a way, it's to my own favor. Yeah, so it's good for me. Listen, on the other hand, their silence gives credence to my claim. And now people will believe that it's true, that I know Alex. Hey girl, I know no say you go there like. I don't know say you go there like this, so. Yes! Babe, I am so happy. See, the thing is, by the time everybody will know that I don't know Alex, I go don't grab all the endorsements, all the contract, all the money, I go pack money tire. I go don't pack all the whole endorsements. Girl, you know, that is what the cloud chasing is for. You have to, babe, you have to be street smart. You have to be smart. It is what it is, girl. It is. That's the idea. Oh, now you understand. By the time I am done, girl, by the time I am done with Alex's press conference.
Amanda, it's okay. Why are you doing this? If you're doing this, how do we talk?
I can't help it. I can't help it at all. Can't you see? Something is really going on between them. I can feel it. I can feel it.
Please stop imagining things. Alexis loves you and you know it. You are the only one he wants. Come on, girl. You and I know that Alexis will never cheat on you with anyone, no matter how sophisticated. Not to talk of that classless, desperate village girl.
Why is he not saying anything? He's not saying anything to me.
That is because he is a man that cherishes his privacy. He hates media attention. I guess that's the reason he's aloof about all these things. Come on, girl. He doesn't want to be in the scrutiny of the media.
He's already there. He is in the scrutiny of the media. Remaining silent changes nothing. He's indirectly admitting to her claims. Can't you see?
Amanda, you will agree with me that Alexis is a man of pride and class. Coming out to exchange words with that girl means bringing himself down to her level. Come on. You and I know Alexis too well to know that he would rather ignore and act like she doesn't exist to him.
What about me? He has prohibited me from telling anyone we are engaged.
Sweetheart, we are saying the same thing. He cherishes his privacy. He loves his privacy, girl. Whoever he's engaged with is no man's business. Besides, I am pretty sure you were very much okay with his decision to make your engagement discreet before this Ebube saga came up.
Exactly my point. Why ask me not to reveal our engagement to anyone, yet not bothered about the strange girl that came out from nowhere claiming they are engaged? Can't you see something is fishy? Can't you see that?
The truth of the matter is that Ebube is an opportunist and she chose the right bait. That girl somehow knows that Alexis would rather leave more questions in the lips of people than answers.
Barry, can you imagine? The stupid girl claims that Alexis has been visiting her off and on. Doesn't that explain his incessant travels? For God's sake, he has a lot of people who can take care of his businesses and his company, but yet he chooses to go himself. Can't you see? Before now, he used to travel with me. All of a sudden, he asked me to stay back. I don't want to believe that he's using this opportunity to stay with that idiot. You know he used to take me with him in his business travels, but all of a sudden he stopped. I hope this is not cover up to be with that stupid girl. I hope you know he has traveled again without me and told me that it's going to take a while before he returns. That he's going to keep in touch. Can you imagine that?
I know. But stop worrying yourself over nothing. Your fiancé has nothing to do with that stupid girl. But don't worry. I have my plans in place to expose her. This should be between you and I. Please.
Everybody, Baransha Gedirie. Everybody, Baransha Gedirie. Dollar,
Sir, I thought you would be needing a cold one, so I got from the freezer inside.
For me? Hey, Namde. Thank you so much.
You're welcome,
You got into room,
You say...
I will drink this one on Sunday.
No. There will always be another one. On Sunday, we'll bring another one.
Is that so? Okay. Thank you so much. But why is your face like this? Did something happen?
It is all charade. It is a charade.
What do you mean?
She's not what she's showing to be.
Are you talking about Madame Ebus?
Of course, she's...
Oh, there you are. Oh. I actually forgot. I got some things. It's in the trunk of my car, so go fetch it. Go fetch it.
All right.
Madame Ebus.
The Agumba.
God bless you. You got into room, big and
It's okay.
Madame Ebus.
Yes, actually, no, it's okay. You don't have to. It's fine. Handle with care, okay? It's quite expensive. Yes, so I want you both to try it on and tell me if you like it.
Hey, you like it. You like it, go.
Thank you.
All right? No, it's okay. I mean, that's how stars do. Like I do.
Madame Ebus,
It's okay.
Now you be
It's okay.
Hey, you see what I was talking about? She's so nice. I wish all celebrities can be like her.
But you said she's not what people think she is.
Yes. On social media, she appears an arrogant and this I don't care person. But a personal encounter with her will say otherwise. I wish that she's not what she portrays on social media. In real life, she seems...
homely.
That's the word. That is the word. You see, she played us all. She fooled us all.
Well, I don't know much about social media. But I know that in the media, people only show what they want people to see. The lifestyle of this generation is Miss Kobo. The more you look, the less you see. Raji, and all that. Yes.
All right, so I suppose this must be yours, and then I'll go with this one.
You see this fame, I must to get that more. I must to get that joy, no more insufficient fun. Yeah. We must get the publicity. I must to get that more. millionaire's wife. No more insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that more. Joy, no more insufficient for love. Yeah. We must get the publicity. I must to get that more. Celebrity life for too sweet. But we go rock up, no matter what you need, go take you.
Ma,
Namdi, what is it?
Okay, I was wondering if you have some clothes you would want me to wash.
Namdi, you want to wash my clothes?
Ma, is there anything wrong with that?
Oh! Sometimes I forget that I'm a celebrity, These things. I want to tell you a story. Because I feel like I can actually confide in you.
Yeah, sure, of course you can confide in me.
It's back on, living on there's a wife. No more insufficient for love. You see this fame, I must to get that.